Display properties. The display property specifies the display behavior of an element. Every element on a web page is a rectangular box. If you provide border to your element, then you can see the box. For example, let's create a paragraph and provide border to it. The display property in CSS determines just how this rectangular box behaves. I am displaying all the display properties on the screen. Have a look. Don't worry, we are not gonna learn all the properties, but this doesn't mean this tutorial will not make you pro in HTML because I didn't teach all the display properties. I will teach you only the required display properties, which will still make you a pro. All other display properties are used very rarely, so their use is very limited. Let's start with the important display properties. The first display property is block. It is used to display an HTML element as a block element. This property is used as the default property of div. This property places the div one after another vertically. Let's learn this with an example. Let's delete the code and CSS. We will be using internal CSS so that we will be on same page and the style code will be in front of UIs. Create a class named container and use the display property as block and assign some width and background color. Create the class and set there the display property as block, width, and background color. Let's create a div and assign container class to it. Inside that div we will create 2-3 paragraph and assign class to them individually. Nice. Now let's remove the width from the paragraph classes. Let's save. Here in display block property, if the width is not mentioned, then HTML element under block property will take up the width of the container. In HTML, almost all the HTML elements are set to display block by default. Even you don't assign block here, then also it will act as display block. This was all for display block property. Moving to next display property, which is display none. This property entirely removes the element from the page. As element is removed visually, the element will still be in DOM. Let's see an example. Let's apply display none property to the container class. All the element have vanished, but when we see in the developer option, you can still see it is in the DOM. It is mostly required when we use jQuery in our HTML page and want to hide information when clicked. This was all for display none property.